In this video, you'll learn how to access and claim free connects for your Upwork account. To begin, open the main sidebar by clicking the Upwork logo. Then, select Connects from your account dropdown to view your available connects and see options to get more. Next, click the Buy Connects button within your balance card to view the purchase details. On the Buy page, select the option to choose how many connects you'd like to get. Now, open the Amount dropdown. Choose a quantity, such as 150 connects, and confirm your selection by clicking it in the list. If you have a promo code, enter it in the promo field and apply it so any applicable discounts are used. To complete the process, click the Buy Connects button to confirm your choice and add connects to your Upwork account. That's how you can get connects on Upwork. Good luck with your applications.